Hi guys, it's Nina. Welcome back to my channel. First, let me say welcome to my new backdrop. I'm still setting things up, but I do like this. I'm in my bedroom right now. I used to film in my living room mostly because my old bedroom was blue and I didn't want that. And I also didn't feel like painting it white. Now I'm in my bedroom at my new place and I do like this backdrop a lot. So we'll see how this evolves. But I wanted to talk about my lock journey because March is a big month for me. March is my lock-iversary month. And this year, 2021, actually made 7 years on the journey. And it's crazy to think about. So much has happened in that 7 years. My life has changed in so many ways. And when you think about waiting for your locks to get longer, it's really important to just live and, embrace the milestones in your lock journey as they come, because they definitely will. And along with that length that you get is a lot of life that you'll get as well. So yeah, it was my lock-iversary on March 16th. And I felt a little bit bad because I did not really celebrate that day. I didn't really feel that excited about it because, my hair would be a lot longer. So I just decided to have like a really just kind of quiet day to myself. I didn't post about it. And I wasn't really in the headspace to really talk about it much. So that's why I want to talk about it right now. I would say like the first few years, like the first 5 years were amazing. It was everything I wanted. And then at year 5, when I got the color, that was when things went downhill for me. My relationship with my locks changed. It just became more frustrating dealing with breakage. It just became kind of sad. And I hate that because I wanted to celebrate 5 years. I wanted to do something big. And at that time, that was 2019. At that time, I felt like I needed to do something to change my locks. Because I find that I go through phases where I feel a little bit stuck with my hair. And I feel like I want to change it, whether that's color it, whether it was style it, anything to kind of mix it up a little bit. And yeah, I was just scarred from that. And my anniversary just had me thinking a lot about my lock goals. And honestly, and I hate saying this, but I just want to put it out there because it's a real emotion. A part of me did feel a little ashamed that, I've lost so much length and now I'm at 7 years and it's a lot shorter than it would be. And I know I've mentioned this a few times, several times. But I did feel a little bit ashamed because I just wish that I had taken better care of my locks after they had gotten colored. Over the past 7 years, I've done my locks myself, and I went to a stylist 2 years ago, and it was really on me to take care of my hair because I had charged myself with that responsibility. So I did feel a little bit of shame thinking about 7 years. The year 7 is like the year of completion and everything. And a part of me feels like maybe, okay, I won't say that I'm done with my lock journey. Where it feels right now, honestly, it feels like it's just hair. It doesn't necessarily feel special, but I also do know that this feeling is temporary. Just going back over my journey and thinking about things, there are peaks and valleys, like times when I'm feeling really inspired and really happy with my hair and how it's doing, and times where I'm like, it's just hair right now, it's okay. And so I'm kind of in one of those valley moments where it's just hair. But I don't plan on cutting it anytime soon. I definitely will not be coloring it anytime soon. Definitely not. I have thought about hair paint wax. That is something that I've really wanted to do. I'm really kind of OCD when it comes to messy things and like having to get my hands messy. Of course I wear gloves and everything, but that has been the number one thing that has kept me from doing the hair paint wax right now. Just the cleanup process and then thinking about the color being left over on my pillow. But it's ultimately not that big of a deal. Stuff can be washed. So I feel like I need to just go ahead and try that. Just get that under my belt. But yeah, I mean, I'm 7 years in and I'm grateful for the lessons. I'm grateful for you guys, for the community and the platform. But yeah, for me right now, it's just hair. And I don't feel like that's a problem. I don't feel like that should be a problem. A lot of y'all say it is just hair for me. And then a lot of y'all say, well, it's a spiritual journey for me. And I think that both paths or like both perspectives or viewpoints are totally valid. And I mean, it's a totally personal thing. It's unique to you. So yeah, I am just kind of like going steady. I'm not making any major changes. I don't overly love my hair right now. I don't hate my hair right now. I'm just kind of in the middle. I'm just floating along. I'm on a boat and I'm not moving the canoes. Wait, no, I'm on a canoe and I'm not rowing right now. I'm just coasting. And I feel like that's actually really good to have a place of equilibrium, because I think so often we feel like we gotta be moving towards something constantly, and to be able to just sit with something and just kind of let it be, I feel like that's something that we're not really encouraged to do a lot. But overall, yeah, I'm coasting pretty much. I want to keep the length that I have right now, maintain it as much as possible, keep it moisturized, keep it healthy, keep it simple, keep it cute. That's it. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys that update. I will be doing a year 7 video. I've shared a lot of my pictures from the past year already, but there are a few that I have not shared, so I do want to put those together for you guys. And also, I was thinking of reacting to some of my old pictures. Stay tuned for all of that. But that's all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it to help me in the algorithm. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not already. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.